Hey everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Join me today as I present a fun take on lasagna as we make taco lasagna, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Hello all my Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week, as I said, we're going to make a fun take on lasagna as I show you how to make taco lasagna. It's simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright guys, we got an onion here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up into small chunks here. Now Dave, have you ever had taco lasagna?
I have not, so this will be a first for us.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a leveling up our original recipe for the original lasagna. So I'm just going to go ahead and you guys know at home, I am no expert at dicing anything. I'm more chop and go and bowl in the china shop. So if it does not look pretty, you know, it's all about how it tastes, right, Dave?
Right.
So, slide that over here, and then and Dave, what is it about lasagna that is just, it's such a good meal?
Oh, it's hearty. It's got a lot of different stuff in it. It's you know, it's a meal in itself. It's a pasta meal. So.
Alright. I am going to dice this up here a little bit better, and then we're going to get ready to move on.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, I went ahead and have some water boiling here. I'm going to go ahead and cook off our lasagna noodles. So, start off with a couple here. And then we're just going to cook these off here for 10 minutes. And then we'll move on.
Okay.
Alright guys, I've had these noodles been boiling here for about 10 minutes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut off the heat here. And then I'm going to go ahead and drain them and get them ready for our next step. They may not be done the whole way, but that's okay. They'll be cooking even more in the oven. While our noodles are cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and brown some ground beef here and put it in our skillet here. Get on, what, about medium?
Medium heat.
Okay. And I'm just going to chop it down here and just add a little bit of salt and pepper just until whenever the meat starts getting chopped down here. I've got a little tongue-tied there, so.
Okay.
Okay, I would say our burger is about halfway cooked here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, our onion here from earlier, what we're going to do is to add that to our burger and cook it down until it is well done.
Okay.
Alright, I definitely think this is looking awesome sauce here. Or as the kids say at home, banging!
Okay.
So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is take this off the stove, drain off the excess liquid, and then we're going to bring it back over here and do a little more with it.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, we're back on the stove here. What I have here in my hand is 2 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to try and get all of this out of my little container here. And we're just going to mix this in for about another minute here. Well, I told you it wasn't going to be real long here, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I've got a packet of original taco seasoning. I thought I was going to be able to rip it open, but no avail here. I'm just going to sprinkle this over top here. And to that, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of water. And just mix it all together here, guys. Okay. Easy peasy. Well, now that we've got this nice and simmered down here, what I'm going to go ahead and do is take a can of black beans, add it to our mixture here, and mix it here for what, roughly a minute or two.
Just till it gets all mixed in.
Yeah. And then I'm going to turn the heat down to low and just let it cook then. Alright guys, we're back at the table here. So what I got is a 15-ounce can of ricotta cheese. Well, I wasn't expecting that to happen.
There you go, okay.
To that we're going to add 1 egg.
Okay.
And a tablespoon of oregano. And we're just going to mix this together here until it's good and combined.
Okay.
Alright, next up guys, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. I got a can of enchilada sauce.
Okay.
Add that to a bowl here. It's 10-ounce can. And then we're going to add a 24-ounce can of, or jar, excuse me, of chunky salsa. And just mix this together just until it's combined.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and make our lasagna here. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of our sauce from earlier. Just spread it on the bottom here. Don't have to be too fancy about it. It's just basically to make sure that our noodles do not stick. I got a spatula here. I'm just going to kind of spread it willy-nilly here. And then Dave, I believe you said we're going to add some noodles here next.
Yep. Throw down 4 noodles. They'll overlap.
How are we looking here?
Good.
The sauce smells really, really good. So,
Okay.
Okay, next up.
Next up, we're going to take about 1/3 of the ricotta mixture that we made.
Okay.
And just spread it evenly.
Do you think I need a little bit more? Or?
You might need a little bit more. It'll make a thin layer. Try to get it all the way to the corners. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it'll give you a little extra.
A little bit more there. Looking good there?
Yep, looks great.
Okay, now...
And then about 1/3 of the ground beef mixture.
Okay.
So we got a bunch of it there. Just sort of sprinkle it on top.
Yeah, we got a lot of ingredients here, but I'm definitely excited to level up lasagna for you, and I think that's looking pretty good there.
It's looking good. Okay, then the sauce. About 1/3 of that. Sprinkle that on top.
What do you think?
Looks good. Spread it out a little bit, and then there you go. That's good right there. Okay, and then about a cup of shredded cheese, a heaping cup of shredded cheddar cheese that we made, and we shredded this earlier.
Yes, and for you guys at home, Dave will reiterate why we shred our own cheese as opposed to getting the prepackaged.
The pre-shredded cheese has an anti-clumping agent that keeps it from melting or sticking together, and it's a lot meltier and gooier if you just do it yourself. It's a little more effort, but it's gooier.
It's worth it in the long run, is basically what he's saying. So.
And then we're going to do 3 more noodles. And repeat that layer twice.
Just 3 more?
Oh, 4 more, sorry.
Okay.
Just like you did before.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and build this, and I'll show you what it looks like before we put it in the oven.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, almost got it completely built here. Just spread out our sauce a little bit more. Alright guys, you guys see we got our last layer here. We are not going to put our cheese on just yet. That's going to be for later on. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cover this with foil. Put it in the oven here for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Alright guys, it's been about 45 minutes here, so let's go ahead and take our foil off. Now the rest of our cheese from earlier, we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle on top here to make it nice and ooey and gooey.
Mm-hmm.
Look pretty well covered here, Dave?
Yep.
Alright, let's go ahead and pop this back in the oven for another 15 minutes.
Yep, 15 minutes. Don't need the foil anymore.
Okay, let's do it. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's get a bite here. The best way to describe this is taco taco, burrito burrito. You're gonna love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxella Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.